Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Busuu Tutor, full guide step by step clearly. To log into Busuu Tutor, start by opening your preferred web browser. Type Busuu into the search bar and hit enter. Look for the official Busuu website link in the search results. Click on the link to navigate to the Busuu homepage. On the homepage, locate the login button, usually found in the upper right corner. Click the login button to proceed to the login page. You will now see fields for your email address and password. Enter the email address associated with your Busuu account. Next, input your password in the designated field. Ensure that your password is entered correctly. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once you have entered your credentials, click the Login button. Wait a few moments for the system to process your information. If your login is successful, you will be redirected to your Busuu Tutor dashboard. From here, you can access your courses and learning materials. If you encounter any issues, check to ensure your email and password are correct. If problems persist, consider clearing your browser cache and cookies. You can also try using a different web browser or device. Once logged in, you can start engaging with your learning content and tutors. Enjoy your language learning experience with Busuu Tutor. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.